Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to solve this combined inequality. Why we say this is combined and inequality? As we can see, we have two inequality combined together. Firstly, we have one less than this rational, and then another one is this rational is less than 3, so it's a combined inequalities. When we have this case, combined inequalities, when we want to solve, means we need to find out what is your x. We need to separate it back one by one. All right. So the way we need to separate it, also we have the definition that need to follow. So the definition. To separate these combined inequalities, so we do it one by one. The first one is 1 less than 4x minus 4 over 2x plus 3. This is one of the inequality we can get from this. And then we have another one, which is 4x minus 4 over 2x plus 3 less than 3. So we separate back this inequality into individual one by one. But when we separate back in max definitions here, combined inequalities means they are using the terms of n. All right, we want equation 1, we want equation 2. So together, when you can combine, means equation 1 inequalities 1 and inequalities 2. So this is how we separate the combined inequality using the correct definition. So after we separate it, so we can start to solve these inequalities. So these inequalities, let us rearrange. All right, so let us go through rational inequalities. What's supposed to do? We cannot do cross multiply, means we cannot from one side multiply up, cross multiply. All right, mean from left hand side multiply to the right hand side, from the right hand side multiply to the left hand side. That is called cross multiply, cannot. So everything move to the left, your rational, your pecahan, everything move to the left, leaving your right hand side is 0. So this is the right hand side you should achieve, where it is 0. So I rearrange this. It's supposed to get 4x minus 4 over 2x plus 3. So more than equal 1. Alright, so this symbol still follow the big one, this one. So the sharp one follow 1. So the sharp one follow 1. Alright, so rational more than 1. So our step is move to the left. Make sure the right hand side we can see 0. So this will be 4x minus 4 over 2x plus 3 minus 1 more than equal 0. Alright, so that will be the correct pattern that we can solve these rational inequalities. And we go through. Alright, we solve this one first. Then we find another one. Then we combine back the answer. So what can we do? We get same to the denominator. We simplify until factorized form. Then we will use positive number line. Let your numerator positive. Let your denominator positive but not equal to 0. Be careful. Then we will start draw the number line with positive negative side and select your conclusion. Alright, step by step. So since we already moved, so the next step is get equal to the denominator. So you can notice here, I didn't do any multiplication, go to the right hand side. Anything we just do at the left hand side here. So this one, 4x minus 4. For this term, when the denominator multiply 2x plus 3, numerator also will follow 2x plus 3. And we simplify 4x minus 2x, we get 2x minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 over 2x plus 3 greater equals to 0. Alright, so this is my rational inequalities that already simplified. So this is linear. We don't need to do any factorize. Now I will go into using the method of positive number line. to find out which is the region that can give this fraction positive. So positive number line, we will start with let the factor to be positive. So we will assume 2x minus 7 to be positive more than 0, and denominator, be careful, just more than 0. Because of what? Denominator cannot equal to 0. Denominator only can let more than 0 only. Okay, just let. So not related with this symbol, we just need to start with letting. Then x will be less more than equal 7 over 2. This x will be more than negative 3 over 2. Then we will start drawing positive number line. Rearrange negative at left hand side, positive at right hand side. So for the first number line, equal, then circle. More than that, we drag it to the right hand side. So for this region, you can notice that you have 2 points, you have 2 values, then we have 3 regions. For this region, you got line positive. This region don't have line negative. This region don't have line negative. So that's why we call this is positive number line. Then second number line here will be more than 3, negative 3 over 2. So this region got line. Between these two numbers, this region got line positive. So this region don't have line negative. So we conclude out. Lastly, we need to conclude out the region. Conclude out means we multiply negative, negative become positive. Positive, negative become negative. Positive, positive become positive. And how we going to select the answer? Look back to your fraction here. Fraction here means your numerator and your denominator combine back together here. So it might be more than 0 means it must be positive region. Alright, so numerator and denominator together, when you want to build up this fraction, it gives you positive region only this number, in only this interval. So our answer for this will be negative infinity up to negative 3 over 2. You can see empty circle, so not included. Continue, we are using the symbol of union, but doesn't mean anything here. This is the way how we write the interval. Then 7 over 2, continue, positive infinity. Alright, so this is the answer from the first inequalities here. Then we have to solve the second inequalities. So the second inequality we will go through. We will go through back the step. Firstly, move everything to the left hand side. So minus 3 less than equal 0. Then secondly, get same to the denominator. So this value will be times with 2x plus 3. And we simplify. Alright, you can see we simplify. So 4x, 2 times 3, negative 6. So you get negative 2x. This negative 4 minus 9, you will get negative 13. So we already simplify into the simplest fraction that we have. So to solve the simplest fraction that we have, we start the working of positive number line. For doing positive number line, the idea must be let the factor positive. Alright, so must be let the factor positive. So pengangka ada equal, penyebut jangan equal ya. So numerator let negative 2x minus 13 positive. So bear in mind here and alert here, we are not copy the inequalities from the fraction above. We are not getting here. We are not copying the sign from up there. We are start letting it to be positive. If you want to be positive means it have to greater than 0. So we let it to be positive, and denominator 2x plus 3 also positive but not equal 0. When you have denominator equal 0, it will be undefined. So we solve it, negative 2x more than 13. So when you divide by negative, you need to change sign. This one 2x more than negative 3x more than negative 3 over 2, then we can start drawing the positive number line with two numbers, negative 13 over 2 and negative 3 over 2. So two number, three region. So you can see here three region. And we start drawing this equal. Less than that, drag it to the left. This region got line, positive. This region got no line, negative. This region no line, negative. So that is why we call it positive number line. So another number line here, more than negative 3 over 2. So this region got line, positive. This region no line, negative. This one got positive. Make sure you put in your sign, positive, negative, and conclude back here, multiply back your numerator and denominator, combine back. It will be positive region. This one negative, negative become positive. This one negative, positive. It will become negative. Alright, so I have a mistake here. This is negative. So no line, negative sign. So this is negative. And how we select the answer? We look back the rational here, less than 0. So the symbol here is only for us to select the answer. Less than 0 means negative region that we want here. So our answer start from negative infinity until negative 13 over 2. Continue, we have another part. So we put the symbol of union to write the way to write the answer in interval form. Alright, so we have done answering the first rational inequalities, and also we have done answering the second inequalities. So what to do? Because our question here is combined, we need to combine back. So what to combine here is by using n. So what's the function of n in number line? It is means that I need to take this answer and this answer, and means intersect, or in symbol set means is intersection, overlapping. So finally we have to combine back these two answers into a number line. So we have four numbers here, we can see I have one, two, three different numbers, four region. So combine back the answer into one. Alright, we have two part of answer. So combine back into one. I draw this first. This is the number line from the left hand side. This one drawing number line like chapter 1. Okay, so negative infinity until negative 3 over 2. We plug in the number. We have negative 13 over 2. The left, the most left is negative 13 over 2. Follow negative 3 over 2. Then continue 7 over 2. Arrange the number in order. So to draw this number line, like topic 1, it will be empty circle, less than, and then in the same level equal to 7 over 2 more than infinity. So this is one set of number line. So it will be in one layer, in the same layer here, in the same face here. Alright, it will not go in one up and one down. One up and one down means it is the number line from different set. So this is one number line, this is another number line. This number line is less than negative 13 over 2. Then, alright, so I double check here, it is equal. So supposedly here is close interval, got equal. So this is 10 circle. Alright, so I need to revise back. So I get a mistake here. This is not until here. Start from here. Negative infinity until negative 3 over 2. and then 7 over 2 going to the infinity. So this is only correct for this number line, and this number line is negative infinity until negative 13 over 2, and then negative 3 over 2 to positive infinity. To do the idea of intersection n, which means that we need to find the region that overlap. So the region that overlap, which is here, we need to shade it out. Shade it to indicate that this is the region that overlap, and this region we don't have overlapping. This region also we don't have overlapping, and one more region that have overlapping is here. So this number line is topic 1 number line doing intersection and union. Alright, so positive number line is doing for solve. This number line is solve for rational inequalities. So don't mix it up. So after we do this intersection, we come to the final answer. So it just says solving. We can write our answer in interval in set. Alright, in inequalities also can. I put it in interval, means this is negative infinity until 13 over 2 negative, then circle included, then continue with another part here, 7 over 2 to infinity. Alright, so my answer given here is interval form. Of course, I also can put in set solution form. Set solution form means you need to put in open the set notation. Here will be x less than equal negative 13 over 2. X means our answer. Our answer is less than because this region is at the left hand side of this. And continue, or this side, x is more than equal 7 over 2. So we cannot write 7 over 2 less than x. No, we have to answer according x as a subject. So the answer means your x is less than this number, your x is more than this number. Alright, so write accordingly. Alright, so that's all for this. And one more time, I want to repeat here is positive number line. What is positive number line? Positive number line adalah gambar raja yang macam ni, ada positif negatif. Ini guna bila? Ini guna bila ada pecahan, iaitu khas untuk pengangka penyebut. Satu line pengangka, satu line daripada penyebut. So this is for pecahan rasional. Alright, so number line yang lorek-lorek ini guna bila? Guna bila ada definition n. And kita lorekkan kawasan yang bertindih, or kita akan lorekkan yang union. Tapi untuk soalan ni tak adalah or, sebab combined inequalities definition dia mesti n, because like example, like your bahasa, I like A, I like B, so I like A and B. So A and B together, so it will be in the term combined inequalities will be in the definition n. Alright, so this is the function why we need to write this n, to indicate that afterward the two answer here need to combine back by intersection. Alright, so that's all for this. Thank you for watching.